First thing, open this. So first, you need BlackHole 16 channel or 2 channel. I'm not sure which one works, but I would recommend the 16 channel just because there's more channels to work with. So if you go to BlackHole 16 channel, it will be this GitHub page, or you can go that one, but just go to the GitHub page. So what you're gonna do is open up your terminal. Boom, it's open. You're gonna type in brew install BlackHole 16 channel and make sure you have Homebrew installed. If you don't have Homebrew installed, you should install Homebrew. So go ahead and download that. I already have it downloaded, so it's gonna look a little different. But once this downloads, yeah, you see how mine says it's the latest versions. It's already downloaded. So once you have it downloaded, you might have to restart your computer. But after you restart, go ahead and open audio MDI setup, and you should see your BlackHole driver here. And we're not actually gonna touch this. We're going to go over here to the bottom right here. You're gonna create an aggregate device. This is gonna pop up, and first things I would recommend doing is renaming it. So I'm going to rename this BlackHole demo. I would recommend naming it your microphone input and your output. So when you're over here, you're going to go ahead and select your microphone. And then if you have headphones with microphones, be careful what you select. Don't select the one with the in, select the one with the out, because in is input, meaning like microphone. And that doesn't, we're not using the the headphones microphone, right? So we're going to use the output, which is 2 because it's stereo and you're getting double audio for both ears, if that makes sense. So boom, boom. And then last step, very important, you have to select the BlackHole 16 channel. This is very important. Make sure you do this. Select these two and then unselect this one. Because when I didn't do that last time, the audio would work for maybe 10 seconds and then it would just bug out and tweak, and you definitely don't want that. So do this and then keep this open because we will need the channel numbers and stuff. So second thing, go ahead and open FL Studio. Again, F10. Go to audio, it should pop up, see right here, BlackHole demo. Go ahead and select that one. You can close out of this. At this point, it doesn't really do anything. What you want to do is come up here, where's this mixer, this button right here, open that up and follow my steps very carefully. You see master, go right here and see how it says channel 1, channel 2. Go right here, select channel 1, 2, and then select yes. Boom, boom. You can hear my voice echoing. I'm gonna go ahead, close this out. See this background noise? You don't want that, right? So go ahead, slot 1, click on that. Go ahead and click the Maximus. Okay, make this bigger. Let me show you something really cool. See, you hear the fan? Boom. Drag it down a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. You don't hear the fan no more. It's pretty cool. Although it doesn't really sound that good. So I'm gonna drag it up a little bit more. Drag it up a little bit more. Drag it up a little bit more. It gets rid of a little bit of the fan. Okay, so for here, open your audio MDI and just keep note where your headphones are and where your input is for your microphone. And then on the bottom, you want one of them to go into your headphones and the other one to go into the BlackHole. Make sure the clock source is this. Make sure the clock source is that, and then it should work now. Okay, so master, this branch right here, this is gonna be going into your Zoom, your Discord, your call. You can use this as the input Mac, the mic input instead of your regular Mac. This will have all the effects, you can add, I don't know, reverb, and then my voice will sound like this, reverby. Very cool. And then let me turn this off. I don't want to hear myself. This will go into your mic. You can add effects to it, and right here, again, I recommend doing this, dragging this back over here. It will copy all the effects over, and you can listen to yourself on this side. AirPods 1, 2. That should be the monitor. So insert one should be 1, 2. I should hear myself on this. Boom, boom, done. Turn this off. I don't want to hear myself. Master should be feeding into BlackHole 16 channel, which is channels 3 to 18. But we're gonna do channel 4. Well, I'm not really sure how it works, but it just works. So trust me. Sending the input into BlackHole 16 channel and I'll prove it to y'all. Boom, boom, boom. My Mac is gone. Boom. Now this is only audio from the BlackHole 16 channel. So if you guys can hear me, there it is. Yeah, so that's how you do it. I thought it was really cool because you could add effects and then you could monitor yourself. But I'm not even joking. I spent 4 days trying to figure this out and finally figured it out, because on Mac the problem you don't have an input and an output. You literally have one device, which is so stupid because you have to put everything into a device and then you have to fidget with these settings and whatever. But yeah, that's the workaround I found. I hope you guys find this useful.